weekend. We're off to Adelaide. We have Sally with us. Well, we're at our first stop. We've stopped at, I think we're near Pheasant Nest. Nice little spot here with a bit of water in the background. We're enjoying our trip so far. There's a lot of fans in this spot.
Wind turbines.
Wind turbines, eh?
All the way through the valley.
Gee, they're big when you get up close. I love a sunburnt country, a land of sweeping plains, of rugged mountain ranges, of drought and flooding rains. I love her far horizons, I love her jewel sea, her beauty and her terror, the wild brown land for me.
Okay, good driving weather, 10 degrees when we started outside, now 14 degrees, getting warmer, but it's 22 in the car, just done over 100, another 25 to Balranald, and we're on our way. So we made it to Hay about 3/4 an hour ago. Went out, grabbed a pizza and some garlic bread. We had drinks and some chocolate mousse for dessert. Was not a bad trip. We got here about 6:45 because we left late when we left home. But now, after we have a feed, we'll have a sleep and get ready for travel again tomorrow. See you then.
Hey everyone, this is Friday morning. I'm taking Sally for her morning walk. Little town of Hay. It's only tiny. A lot of trucks go by. Well, we're at Mildura now. We're having a break. So we're over the border. We're in Victoria at the moment. A little break. Giving Sally a break. Main street of Mildura, heading to South Australia. I'll be there around about 4 o'clock. So we've made it to Adelaide. Can't wait to see everyone. Jason's getting a bit tired. He's ready for a break.
Yes.
Gonna stay at Gawler Caravan Park. And there's the caravan park there, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we just got to turn in up here. And this is where we'll be staying. Alright, we're gonna book in and we'll catch everyone over the weekend. See you soon.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
All morning we did a little drive around the areas that we grew up in, and this is RAF Base Edinburgh. Happy birthday! Well, it's time to go home. We're heading home. We're leaving Gawler Caravan Park. It's been a good weekend away. We've really enjoyed ourselves. We had a 60th birthday and a 90th birthday. And now it's time to go back to reality, back to work. But first we've got a couple of days of driving. And we're going to enjoy it. We're going to take our time and have some fun. We're just going through Monash in South Australia. We'll be going over the border into Victoria soon. And Jason's happy driving. It's going to be a good day. And we're heading to Hay. So that's our rest spot for the night again. Back in New South Wales.
Now we just got to travel to the other corner of New South Wales.
Now we've got to go all the way over to the coast at Newcastle. So it's a bit of a trip still. 800 metres.
1,000 kilometres.
Okay, we have made it to the Big Four Caravan Park in Hay, and we're just gonna get some dinner. Head over to that place in there where the lights are on. That's the pub. We stay in here for the night, and we're going to be leaving very early in the morning. It's absolutely freezing cold in Hay, but the drive here was good. The traffic wasn't too bad, and so tomorrow we will be home, back home. And Sally's been a very good girl. She's travelled well in the car. And Jason's doing okay. And they're both inside where it's warm. Hello, Sally. Wave.
Hay from Hay.
We're going to have dinner and then we're going to sit and relax and enjoy the night. So today we're going to head a different way home than what we came. We are on the road. We're leaving Hay. We've had a good night.
It's currently 1 degree outside.
1 degree? It's freezing.
It is. I had to get ice off the windscreen.
I've got to get the map up and then we're going to head home. We're heading home is the destination in Newcastle. Here we are in West Wyalong. We just had a quick break with a coffee yummy egg custard tart. Car's over there and we're on our way. Just gonna stop here and get some fuel. Okay, we're leaving Wellington. We're just going over the river.
The Wellington River.
We just had some lunch. A bit late for lunch, but we're running a bit late anyway with meals. So dinner won't be till late.
It always is late.
So we're heading towards what's next? Dunedoo's next. And then off to Cessnock and then home.
It's only 400 k's anyway.
So we've only got 400 k's to go. We'll get home at about 6:30 tonight or this evening. We're going through Merriwa. It's a bit wet, a bit cold. We're almost home. We're stuck behind a truck. He's pulling over finally. Yay! I think we might keep going to Denman and we'll stop at Denman. Smithy's still happily driving. Doesn't know where it's going either. Hope he pulls over too. Well, that's Merriwa for you. Okay, we have made it home. Home sweet home. We've unpacked the car and now we've got to sort out all this luggage. We made it. It's been a good weekend. And Smithy and I, we sign off. All done and dusted.